Understanding, I trust you. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, I trust you. This simple, yet powerful statement carries a lot of meaning in English, and understanding it can help you navigate social and professional situations more effectively. Let's dive in. I trust you is a phrase used to express confidence in someone's honesty, reliability, or abilities. It's a strong statement that indicates you believe the person will act with integrity or competence. Trust is a fundamental aspect of human relationships, so using this phrase signifies a deep level of respect and faith in the other person. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In personal relationships, it shows emotional support and belief in someone's character. In professional settings, it indicates confidence in someone's skills or decision-making abilities. In casual conversations, it can be a way of showing agreement or allowing someone to make choices on your behalf. Remember, using I trust you should be genuine. It's a powerful phrase that can strengthen relationships when used sincerely. Understanding the impact of trust in communication is crucial. Saying, I trust you, can strengthen bonds. It builds stronger, more meaningful relationships. Encourage openness. It makes people more willing to share thoughts and ideas. Boost confidence. Hearing, I trust you, can significantly boost someone's confidence and morale. However, be mindful of the cultural nuances. In some cultures, trust is implied and not always explicitly stated. Let's see some examples. 1. In a friendship, you've always been there for me. I trust you to give me honest advice. 2. At work, I trust you to lead this project. Your skills are exactly what we need. 3. In family, I trust you to make the right decision for us. These examples show how versatile and impactful this phrase can be. I trust you is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of faith and confidence in someone. Whether in personal or professional settings, understanding and using this phrase appropriately can greatly enhance your communication skills. We hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Until next time, keep learning and growing.